Tips for Mexico digital nomad.
1. Go remote. Profit from Mexico's beauty with online work. 2. Blog your journey. Turn travel tales into income. 3. Crafted profits. Sell Mexican souvenirs online. 4.
Teach Espanol online. Make money sharing your language skills.
5. Affiliate adventures. Earn while exploring as an affiliate marketer. 6. Virtual tours, real gains. Showcase Mexico digitally for income. 7.
Snap and sell. Turn Mexican photos into cash on stock sites.
8.
Online investments. Grow income through digital ventures.
9.
Expert advice. Offer online consulting on your terms.
10. E-books on the go. Write and sell about Mexico's wonders. Click the link in our bio and follow us to stay updated.